Hello everybody, this is Happy Little Fish and welcome back to a video, and today we are doing another nature walk. Sorry if the camera works pretty crappy. Yeah, there's my friend. Onrushing Lamb 21.
I'm gonna take a bridge across. Happy Little Fish. I might have to go to the other side. I think it'll make it.
My foot came out of my shoe. Alright guys. Sorry for that delay. Yeah. Onrushing knows that I like the zombie apocalypse. Also, guys, if you've seen a couple earlier videos, I lost one of my fishy friends to bad Wi-Fi. Go check out his channel. His name is XXZombieKillerXX. Go give him a subscribe. Go give him a like. Go give him. Slap that subscription button and slap that like button. Ah, creep. I don't think I'm gonna cross. Oh, alright guys, I'm here. And today, a bear. Wait, a bear? Hi, my name is Bill Jenkins. I'm gonna teach you how to subscribe. Go hit the subscribe button. Nah. Yeah, we're not parkour masters, so please don't ask for a parkour video.
Oh, we are parkour guys.
No, we're not. I don't want to break an arm.
Just wait till the summer, guys. I'm gonna show you some work today.
Yeah, guys, look out for another Black Ops 3 episode coming out next week. No, the week after next, actually. Yeah, it's going to be another Black Ops 3 Zombies video. I thank you guys for watching. I do this for my subscribers. I do this for my fans. I don't do this for my purposes. I do this to entertain you guys. Oh, you...
Happy Little Fish.
No, I just hit my foot with my ankle. Look at that nature. Taking that nice nature smell. Sorry guys, I'm a little stuffed up. Dang, look at that nature. Yeah. It's actually a really nice weekend. Is that bird safe? Keep going, keep going. I'm coming. Just keep going. Well, we survived. Well, guys, I thank you all for watching. I'm not ending. Just by the way, I just thank you guys for watching. We waited this long to start it. Really?
Yes.
My foot's gonna get wet. Alright. Just as long as you don't say my real name. That's actually a contest on my channel.
Alright, so we're going to put a skip in there. Okay.
Oh, waterfall!
Look how big these rocks are, guys. So we're doing a competition this week of how many likes we can get and how many subscribers we can get.
I know I have 7, so if you... I bet we can get 3 subscribers and 10 likes. Can we please do that so I can win?
So basically,
And he has to send out on Facebook that he lost the like challenge with Happy Little Fish.
no, because
And I lost the like challenge. And if I lose, I have to write I lost the like challenge with onrushing lamb 21. We should create you a YouTube account.
I am on a YouTube account.
Oh, epic parkour! Sorry if the camera was blocked, guys. Epic parkour! I don't think he wants to do this. Wow, this is 5 minutes long. Oh, you did it! Wow, I'm not clumsy today. So far. Ah, good gosh. Oh. Don't move. I'd like to give a shout out to onrushing lamb 21, along with all of my subscribers and my friends. Stone Man TNT, XX Zombie Killer XX. Yeah. And the rest of my subscribers. Oh my gosh, look at this rock. Alright guys, and I thank you all for watching. Stay happy and punch a tree.